Hi guys, today I'm doing a review on the 3D printed Object 195 and G6 Rhino. These are a 1:4 scale, so they're smaller than the usual 1/72 scale. Here's a comparison with the bigger 1/72 scale T14 Armada. I read that this is supposed to be the precursor to the Armada, except it has an autocannon, same one as the one on the BMP2, and the gun is bigger, 152mm. Turret can rotate, also removable. It is very small and has some fragile parts, like the skinny autocannon and the covers for the sights. But luckily, they came in these small boxes, so no damages during shipping. It's a very nice little tank. I'll either have it as my Xeon, with my Xeon mole suits, or for the Leo in Gundam Wing, since in the Gundam Wing universe, there's a tank that looks very similar to this. Let's move on to the G6 Rhino. The turret can rotate, and the main gun can elevate as far up. Also removable. I really like the look of these wheeled artillery vehicles. I think the G6 is one of the best looking one in my opinion. The wheels cannot roll, and there's no windshields, but still a very nice model. I couldn't go for the I couldn't find a 1/72 scale version, so I went for this instead for now. Hopefully in the future someone will 3D print the 1/72 scale version of this vehicle. Here is a comparison with the same scale 1:4 the Type 61 tank from Gundam. Thanks for watching.